Hey everybody, I'm Pierre-Louis, CEO and co-founder at Streamroot, and I'm going to tell you how we actually build PyPiper product. So we are building the next generation of content delivery technology. And I'd like to start this presentation by telling you a story of something that happened to me last year. As a French guy living in the US and a fan of soccer, I had to watch the final of the Euro competition, France against Portugal, using a streaming service. And here's what happened to me.
Money for him. Header. Wriggles free of Koscielny.
What? Isn't it frustrating? I almost threw my computer out of the window. And I'm sure all of you experienced something like that. And when I mean everybody, it's really everybody. Because streaming is taking the media and entertainment industry by storm. Everything from your favorite movie, TV show, news, social media, gaming, everything is streaming. And we all expect very high definition video and TV-like experience. So this has a huge impact in the bandwidth demand. By 2020, the bandwidth demand will be multiplied by 10. And we have a problem because the current core network capacity can only handle about 10% of it. And for broadcasters, this is already a big issue because with network congestion, you have bad user experience and buffering. And at the same time, the bandwidth is already the biggest operational cost. But how did we end up there in the first place? With traditional streaming, all the users are downloading the content for what we call CDN, for content delivery networks. Each individually have to download the entire video from it, which brings cost and network congestion. But at Streamroot, we developed a brand new peer-to-peer streaming technology. We are connecting the users who are watching the content at the same time so they can download the video directly from each other. We reduce the load on the server and solve at the same time with our technology the cost and quality problem. So let me show you a concrete example. Eurosport, which is part of Discovery, is the largest sports streaming platform in Europe. We've been working with them on all the tennis Grand Slam tournaments and the Tour de France. Here's the traffic during 1 week of tournaments. So each spike is actually a game. And before using us, all the users were basically downloading the content from the servers and from the CDN. After implementing us, here's the traffic. 73% of the traffic was actually managed by our peer-to-peer service. All the blue part is now peer-to-peer delivered, and the pink part is just the remaining coming from the CDN. And I'm proud to tell you that we have now built the world's largest peer-to-peer network for OTT delivery. With global customers such as Canal+, Eurosport, Dailymotion, Vivendi, and Russia Today, we powered more than 20 million peers every single day on our platform. The value proposition of our solution is pretty easy. First, we can save our customer up to 80% of their bandwidth cost, and at the same time, improve the user experience. On average, we improve by 15% the viewing time on the platform. People stay just more time on the platform because the quality is better. But to make it successful, we had to build it easy for the whole chain. First, we are the first technology which is completely transparent for end users. There's nothing to install. It's compatible with all the devices we all use every day. And at the same time, it's completely plug and play for broadcasters. It is compatible with all the complex streaming technologies they already have in place. But not only we are disrupting the technology side of things, but we are radically changing the economics of streaming. Unlike all the CDN who are charging on a usage-based business model with a per gigabyte business model, we are the first one in the industry who provides unlimited bandwidth for a flat fee based on the user base. Since my co-founder and I funded Streamroot 4 years ago, We had the chance to assemble an amazing team of 25 people between Paris and New York. We raised $6 million with amazing investors, including Partech Ventures, Techstars Ventures, and Verizon. We built one of the largest peer-to-peer network ever. So if, like us, you want to kill the video buffering for good, please come to talk to me afterwards.